Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people. In today's video, we want to talk about squash, 6ixBoss, big breeze up in them town. Also, we want to talk about chronic law boss. Also, we want to talk about Malie. Also, we want to talk about squash, 6ixBoss, mother, Shelly, get a phone call from him son. Shelly make we know say him son link him and him son in a good spirit. Also, we want to talk about chronic law. Chronic law get this from Malie. Wicked people. Malie over the weekend. This chronic law. And I make people them know say, enough of them sell out. Enough of them were used to say 6 sell out because the 6ixBoss they in a feds custody. But Malie make them know say, anytime squash touch road, problem I got did it. People, enough of them dancehall artists here, now listen. Enough of them dancehall artists here, now learn. Cause if squash they in a feds custody and say squash do 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, when him touch road, why you don't want to see the artist rush chronic law? Why you don't want to see the artist put himself in a danger? Yes, Malie, we know say you probably a smoke, you probably a drink, you probably pop to Malie, you probably depend on the next level because of your name Malie, so you probably pop some Malie. But at the end of the day, bro, it don't make no sense if squash beat the case here, get off of the case here, even get a plea deal, even inform and work with the feds them fi get off of the case here or get less time. The man need fi count him days. The man need fi learn from this. This supposed to be a learning process fi squash 6ixBoss and any artist out there in a dance hall. Yes, we know enough of them artists are paranoid. Yes, we know say enough of them come from the garrison, the ghetto, the gully, the trenches. Yes, we know say some of them suffer from PTSD. Enough of them go through certain things. One never get no counseling. Yes, we know so they see certain things happen for them young and them life dark. But no found to get an opportunity and you can learn from this and you can make a different decision or go down a different road. Learn from squash 6ixBoss mistake. Malie, you have money, you're a talented artist. But you have to know what you do. Yes, we know say dancehall corrupt. Yes, we know enough artists out there no loyal. Yes, we know say chronic law and squash fall out. Yes, we know say squash and skeng no good because squash say 6 and skeng say 7. And we know the big gang thing we are going right now in a Trinidad with the 6 them and the 7s them are dirt them one another. Man a get jump out like crazy. Man a lose them life. And we understand that. And we know say squash and skeng no good. And we know say chronic law go link with skeng and he look away in the street because squash 6ixBoss help chronic law, boss chronic law, give chronic law the strength. Yes, we hear chronic law as a 6 till in dead, 6 feet rest of life. But we know how mankind turn. We know anything can happen where you and a man fall out. Plus we know enough artists ungrateful, enough artists bad mind, enough artists no loyal. But at the end of the day, every man a big man and a man a go do when want do. That's why me say with friends like these who need enemy, pay attention to your surrounding before them hurt you. Not because you help some people in a life and the people them glad for the help. But at the same time, the people them not glad. Say you they in a position where you can help them. Them wish you did worse than them. Them wish somebody else did a help them. The same person them where you try help in a life always a try bring you down. So right there, so we know say dancehall corrupt, black people corrupt, human being corrupt. At the end of the day, you have to know what you are do. That's why Jump Out TV production not trust nobody, not even me shadow. Me no trust. Cause sometimes me see all me shadow a creep up on me and me feel say, yo, what you do? Take about 3 steps. Take about 4. Hey, shadow. If you ever move again, sometimes me have to pray me own a shadow. Cause we know how the world ya corrupt. All mosquito I try slap you away. In a them days, your mosquito I drain your blood every day. You have to be careful. You can't trust mankind. And me know say a so life set up. But at the same time, the streets attack. Say Chronic Law, sell out, squash 6ixBoss. And Chronic Law always a style. Squash 6ixBoss and squash 6ixBoss always a style. Chronic Law. Enough people are burn a fire upon the dancehall artists them. Because a Malie the only person come out and say free squash 6ixBoss. Every other artist take with themselves. Every other artist where did do collab with the youth, drain the youth energy. Everybody take with themselves. Gone. You when we are grew up, them tell you say when trouble reach you, picking it short, fit you. Enough people are when you're down, you really are gonna see who have your back. When you're rich, when you're hot, when you have money, when you have the fame, the whole of the girl them running, the whole of the youth them running. Every man want roll every day. Every day them want par. Every day them want drink Hennessy. But when the money done, the girl them gone, the friend them gone. Everybody take with themselves. That's why you have to know how you move in other world. Yeah. Dancehall corrupt. A whole heap of artists go to prison and a whole heap of artists lose them life. Dancehall corrupt. Man always a gatekeep and bad mind them one another. Yes, me understand why enough artists now say free squash 6ixBoss, cause when it come to the feds, nobody no want that smoke there. Nobody no want that heat there. Nobody no want that attention there. Cause any man will roll in and want text and call, right there, so them a go bug squash 6ixBoss phone. So any man will text him and link him, them a go record it and them a go pre you and them will try get every information. So everybody know that. So that's why it look like dancehall artists them sell him out. But at the end of the day, the man them just free that the feds them. It's not like when cartel da prison and we know it's a local police. So artists will say free cartel, free Jacure, free Ninja Man, free Malie. When it come to the feds them, it different. As me tell you now, Bobby Smurder did the hottest thing in the United States back in the day. And when Bobby Smurder done the whole place, when the feds them running, Drake take himself 50 Cent, Kevin Hart, everybody unfollow him. Everybody, nobody no want that sumo there. On see where P. Diddy a got through, Jay-Z say him and P. Diddy are no friend, LeBron James take with himself, all of the hip-hop artists them take with themselves where they know Diddy. Nobody no want get involved with Diddy. Everybody disown him. All Vice Cartel disown P. Diddy. Cause when it comes to the feds, nobody no want get caught up. Nobody no want get involved. So that's why it look like say dancehall sell out squash. But really and truly, the man them just afraid of the feds. So yes, people, so we see Shelly and make your fans them know say squash 6ixBoss reach out. Squash 6ixBoss reach out to Mama Shelly. And Mama Shelly, Jump Out TV production, no have nothing against you. We not try bring you down. We not try bring down Squash 6ixBoss. We just know, say, the youth talented, the youth gifted. And when we see a youth out of the ghetto, out of the garrison, make it. All of we make it. When we see them youth here from the slum, them come turn superstar, the whole of we make it. So Mama Shelly, just understand we want people to learn from this, because we don't want no more youth fall to the system. When you see and boy make it, the whole of we make it, because it's a youth from Trelawney, out of the ghetto or out of the country area. So when he make it, the whole of we make it. But Mama Shelly I make we know, say, Squash 6ixBoss link her. And as a mother, me like that. So the son link him up and I say, Mommy, hold it. Even if Squash stress out, even if Squash I go through a lot, the man look like say him love him mother and him no want him mother fi stress out. When around here so support crime and violence are no friggery. But at the end of the day, as a mother, we are go through certain things. Squash probably break down inside and I go through a lot, but him just want him mother fi hold firm. So Shelly I make the people know, say, Squash link her and make she know, say, don't pay attention to the media. Now watch the media, leave people alone. Shelly says Squash give her everything. Squash even said to him mother, in the words of Shelly, you know in need of nothing. You have house, you have car, you have food. Me make sure say you have everything, so you know in need of nothing. So the youth be a soldier and make him mother know, say, him good and him alright and him a fight him thing. Fake friends out there, friends that try set him up, friends that try bring him down, but him a go fight till the end. See? So at that Shelly and make it fans them where say 6 and rate Squash and rate Squash 6ixBoss. Shelly and make it fans them know, say, the youth check in and make him know, say, Mommy, me good. Mommy, me alright. Mommy, everything okay. Shelly says she feel good. Shelly says she feel a joy and she feel a relief. As me say, Squash 6ixBoss case is a learning process. Enough people can learn from it. Vibes Cartel case is a learning process. Ninja Man case, learning process. Tommy Lee, even Jack Cure make a mistake already. Touch road and make you see a mistake again. So dirty thinking Jackie, you need to learn from your own mistake. Cause fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. People, tell me what you think in the comment section. As me say, my video them is a learning process. And my video them is not only for entertainment, but educational purpose, resources, and research. Everybody can learn from Squash 6ixBoss. Too much of we talented artists them in a prison. Ninja Man, talented. Jackie, talented. Cartel when he did it, talented. Laden when he did it, talented. Zebra, I don't know what blood clot is about Zebra. Talented, but something wrong with him. Zebra just love prison. Jump Out TV production. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.